this video, we are going to learn the 5 steps which are necessary to be done in BDD Cucumber framework. Cucumber is an open source tool as well as it is a testing framework driven by the plain English text which supports behavior-driven development. Cucumber reads the code written in plain English text. It finds the exact match of each step in the step definition file. Not all the BDD framework tool supports other tools. However, Cucumber supports different software platforms like Selenium, BDD, Spring Framework, Ruby on Rails. In the first step, the user behavior is explained using feature file. Then, each step in feature file is converted into a step definition. Next step definition is executed and fails. Then the test scripts are created to make it pass. Then the code gets executed and get passed. Let's see each step in detail. A feature file contains a list of scenarios to be tested for that particular feature in the functionality. The extension of the feature file should be in the format of filename.feature. There should be a separate feature file for each feature under test. There are no logic details written in the feature file. A simple feature file contains the following keywords. Feature, name of the feature under test. Description, describes the feature under test, which is an optional part. Scenario, which explains the scenario to be tested. Given, which is the prerequisite which is required before the test steps gets executed. When, specific condition which should match in order to execute the next. Then, what should happen next if the condition got satisfied? Step definition file stores the mapping between each step of the scenario defined in the feature file. When Cucumber executes the step of the scenario mentioned in the feature file, it scans the step definition file and figures out which function to be called. Feature file and step definition files are the main files which needs to be created in BDD Cucumber framework. We will learn to create these files in our later sessions. Hope this explains the concept. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon below to get further notifications.